Hello everybody, we are going to be doing some breakfast stuff now. We're going to do a breakfast Rösti out of beetroot, potato, some hot smoked trout, watercress, spinach, and it's in the book here. It's one of those dishes that we do on tour when it's someone's birthday or an anniversary or some special occasion in the morning, and it really works very well for that, and a glass of champagne, bucks of fizz or something like that. And we're also going to add a little bit of hollandaise, which I used earlier as well. We're going to make the Rösti first. So a beetroot and a potato, which I have peeled, and I've got one of these contraptions, which is a mandolin. If not, you can use a grater or just do it by hand. Right, so I have got my beetroot and potato strips in there. I don't want to add too much of them. I'm just going to add a pinch of salt to dry out some moisture and a bit of thyme. You can add garlic, you can add whatever you want to this, but I want to keep it simple because it's breakfast. So the salt has made the beetroot and the potato go a bit limp. So it's drawn out a lot of the moisture, but it's also got the starch in it. So you want to keep all the juices that come out of it into the pan that you're going to put them in. So I've got some oil which I've been frying some pork off, which is going to be delicious. So I'm going to make some little cakes out of these and just pop them in. So they're going to be quite loose. Just keep them together, and the starch should hold it together. So the Röstis are starting to caramelise nicely. I'm going to flip them. You can see they look crunchy, they look salty, they look good. And you want to get that other side done. I'm going to add a little bit of butter at the bottom and a little bit of salt. And we're nearly there. So it's time to poach the eggs. These should be double yolks as well. Over here, I've got some boiling water and some vinegar and some salt. And I'm very gently, with a bit of a spin, going to drop these eggs into the water. We are double yolkers! Poached eggs ready to come out, nice and soft, onto some kitchen towel or a normal towel. Make sure they're still nice and wobbly. Beetroot Röstis first. And they are looking really rather nice. Really simple. Just 2 to 3 ingredients. You don't want to complicate it. Spinach, just wilted. Same pan if you want to. Onto the Rösti. Hot smoked trout. Onto the Rösti. The last egg, and then, if you have it, some hollandaise sauce, which is the way to finish it. The watercress. So this is a beetroot and potato Rösti with spinach, hot smoked trout, double yolk eggs, hollandaise and watercress, and a little bit of black pepper. Okay,